What is deforestation? Deforestation is the permanent destruction of forests in order to make land available for other uses. It is a huge problem in today's society. Did you know that 30% of Earth is made up of forests?
Another problem is that deforestation is not caused by the environment, but caused by us humans. It is an important issue because it leads to more greenhouse gases being released and global warming.
Also, many animals are losing their homes due to deforestation.
It is estimated that in 100 years there will be no more forests left on the earth.
A big problem is that many people do not know how harmful deforestation actually is.
Deforestation is a huge problem that we need to take control of.
Let's go to our field reporter, Robbie Ty.
You know what really grinds my gears? The fact that deforestation is taking a toll on these woods every single day. Would you mind sharing your opinion with me on deforestation?
Deforestation is it's a really bad topic that's going on nowadays. A lot of people aren't aware, but a lot of forests are being cut down and destroyed, and a lot of people don't know like how bad it is, because there are a lot of animals and a lot of wildlife that lives in these forests, and they're being run out of homes and they're being killed, and it's a really bad thing that's going on.
Did you know that it is estimated that in 100 years, all the forests in the world will be gone?
Yes, actually, I did know that. It's a very, very staggering fact that a lot of people aren't aware of nowadays.
Very terrible. Very terrible.
Yes, it is.
Thank you for your time.
No problem, sir.
Nice
Anytime.
meeting you. Hi, I'm here with Mark Dubois. So Mark, have you ever heard of deforestation?
I have not. What is it?
It's destruction of forests due to human causes.
Oh, that's terrible.
So what's your opinion on it?
I think it's terrible and it should be stopped.
So it's not only affecting just the forest itself, it's affecting animals' habitats too.
How do you know that?
This very skull right here. This animal was destroyed because of knocking down of this forest and other forests around.
That's terrible.
I know, this poor buck.
Great job.
Thank you, Robbie, for that amazing report. As you can see, deforestation has taken a toll on that forest and forests around the world, and people are noticing the changes.
There are many ways to prevent deforestation. One way is to limit the amount logging companies are allowed to take down. Some companies are using the slash and burn technique, which means loggers are cutting down forests and burning them on site, instead of taking them to the mills to build homes.
But some logging companies do something that will eventually make a new forest. Their way of logging is for one tree that is cut down, 3 saplings are planted to replace that one tree.
Companies that produce toilet paper and other packaging materials, like APP, Asia Pulp and Paper, and APRIL, Asia Pacific Resources International. Deforestation accounts for 15% of carbon emissions each year. That's equivalent to the entire transportation industry. By preserving forests, we are preventing the release of millions of tons of carbon into the atmosphere.
Protecting forests also preserves biodiversity. With the outbreak and mass extinctions, preserving endangered species is more urgent than ever before. By protecting the forest, we are safeguarding a wide range of species, from frogs to hummingbirds and jaguars, as well as any medicinal plants.
Forests make local and native communities more resilient to climate change by providing sustainable livelihoods. Some of these small communities depend on one thing they grow.
If climate change occurs, it can ruin the growth of the one thing that they depend on. It can make their livelihoods fall apart. This also can affect people that make medicines out of plants, or it can affect the people that need those medicines from the plants.
There are a ton of ways that ordinary people could help fight deforestation. Start by planting trees and not printing as much, or just go paperless.
Try to use recycled products and recycle more. If you have a fireplace or fire pit, try to cut down on how much wood is being burned.
Deforestation is a very serious thing, and something has to be done. Thanks for tuning in to Channel 67 News.